Welcome students. நாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் 4th standard second term unit 1 affectionல first lesson அப்பா அந்த அப்பாங்கிற லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸை தான் நாம் இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா fill in the blanks. First question, Meena's village was hit by waves on a dash. Meena's village was hit by waves on a dash. Answer, pleasant Sunday. Answer, pleasant Sunday. Second question, Meena was transferred to a dash. Meena was transferred to a dash. Answer, rehabilitation center. Answer, rehabilitation center. Third question, the official's family visited the rehabilitation center for dash year. The official's family visited the rehabilitation center for dash year. Answer, 3 years. 3 years. Fourth question, the official and his wife liked dash. The official and his wife liked dash. Answer, Meena. Answer, Meena. Fifth and final question, Meena studied in dash standard. Meena studied in dash standard. 12th standard. Meena studies in 12th standard. Students, next read the statements and write true or false. Read the statements and write true or false. First question, Meena's father was a fisherman. Meena's father was a fisherman. Answer, true. Answer, true. Second question, people ran off when the seawater receded. People ran off when the seawater receded. Answer, false. Answer, false. Third question, 3 waves hit the village. 3 waves hit the village. Answer, false. Answer, false. Fourth question, the official visited the rehabilitation center daily. The official visited the rehabilitation center daily. Answer, false. Fourth question answer, false. Fifth question, the official was transferred to another district. The official was transferred to another district. Answer, true. Fifth question answer, true. Next, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First question, where is Keeraikuppam located? Where is Keeraikuppam located? Answer, Keeraikuppam is located near Nagapattinam. Keeraikuppam is located near Nagapattinam. Second question, what were the people excited about? What were the people excited about? Answer, the people were excited to see the receding seawater and a huge wave rising high in the sea. The people were excited to see the receding seawater and a huge wave rising high in the sea. Third question, which disaster had hit the village? Which disaster had hit the village? Answer, tsunami had hit the village. Tsunami had hit the village. Who showed love and care to the children? Who showed love and care to the children? Answer, a kind-hearted official of the rehabilitation center and his wife showed love and care to the children. A kind-hearted official of the rehabilitation center and his wife showed love and care to the children. Fifth and final question, why did Meena call the official Appa? Do you think we need to be a family to care for others? Answer, Meena called him Appa because he was very affectionate towards her. He often carried Meena while they played with other children. Yes, we needed to be a family to care for others. Meena called him Appa because he was very affectionate towards her. He often carried Meena while they played with other children. Yes, we needed to be a family to care for others.